COVID-19 has revealed itself in the Kharas region, leaving unemployment and a shortage of essential services workers in its wake. Mines and fishing companies are laying off hundreds of workers because they simply cannot afford to keep them.
Sectors that are retrenching employees because they can't sustain them, because they argue that their income is affected and there's no way they will be able to maintain the number of workers they have employed.
Even though some people in the region are losing their jobs, COVID is exposing the need for more essential workers, particularly at border posts where law enforcement and nurses are needed for screening purposes. Namibia is still importing a number of commodities from South Africa through the southern part of the country.
All sectors are affected. In Kharas, number one is that the consecutive drought has already affected or having a negative impact. And then now, while we are in that process of recovering, we are faced with the invisible enemy, which is the COVID-19.
Governor Aletta Friedrich says the region is still experiencing challenges when it comes to social distancing, particularly at funerals and weddings.
Arnhemsvlei and Noordoever borders are commercial borders, meaning that it still allows the income in the outgoing of, as we have classified, essential goods, because as a country, we are still relying from the external services regards to some of the products that we are not producing.
The backlog of the testing facilities in the country is a grim reality, but Friedrichs commended NEMDEP for availing their lab to test the public in an effort to reveal test results on time. The Kharas region is also experiencing a backlog in testing facilities. The mines and fishing companies employ thousands of workers, and Friedrich says even though the region is experiencing essential staff shortage in its wake.